Today we're going to be looking at planting and growing potatoes. The potato was first domesticated in South America between 8000 and 5000 BC and has since created staple crops and diets around the world. Potatoes like to grow on a sandy soil which is slightly acidic. However, they will grow well on any type of soil and enjoy a warm, sheltered site. Early potatoes emerging from the soil should be protected from the frost, as this can damage the foliage. Potatoes like a fertile soil which is rich in nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for the plant growth and plant food processing. Without nitrogen in the soil, the plant will struggle to thrive, grow to its full potential, or produce enough food. However, too much nitrogen in the soil will produce excess foliage and a low yield of potatoes. Potatoes are planted in up to 3 stages. First, earlies, which are planted out mid-March and can be harvested early summer. Second, earlies, which are planted out end of March, beginning of April, and can be harvested in late summer. And main crops, which are planted in April, can then be harvested early autumn. The first process of growing potatoes is chitting them. It's really important before planting out potato tubers that you place them in an egg box or on a tray with a layer of potting compost in a light warm place, around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, to encourage the sprouting of small shoots. These growing points are called eyes, which are dormant buds on the surface of the tuber. The tubers need to sit in this condition for 4 to 6 weeks to enable the shoots to grow stout and pink and around 1 inch, which is then an ideal length to plant. The tubers should be placed in the trays with the eyes, the dormant buds, facing upwards. This process is called chitting and is essential for early crops, but not so for main crops. However, it can prove to be beneficial. I've chosen Penland Javelin, and I'm going to place the potatoes in the egg box with the eyes facing up. This is really important. I'll just place that one. The Penland Javelin are heavy crops and they're suitable for all soils. Okay, so that's that one. That's the first earlies. The second potato that I've chosen are swifts. These are virus resistant, which can be helpful when planting outside. Again, plant the potatoes in the egg box with the eyes facing up. Once the shoots have reached the ideal length for planting, some of the shoots can be rubbed off, leaving 3 or 4 shoots on the tuber surface. As having too many shoots will cause competition. The yield may be many, but the size of the individual potatoes may be smaller. You can plant normal potatoes and they will grow. However, they may not be disease-free and could infect the whole crop. Once the potatoes have grown, the potatoes are edible. However, the leaves are poisonous. I hope that's helpful.